viewers, in this video we are going to learn super easy concept how to open Meta Business Suite in Facebook. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account. I am on my home page. In the left side toolbar you will get an option of see more. You just need to click on it, and here is the option of Meta Business Suite. Whenever we click on it, the Meta Business Suite would get opened, right? So this was the first method. I'm telling you the another method as well. If you are into your Facebook account and if you have switched to your Facebook page from top right corner icon, and now as you can see I'm into my Facebook page, I have switched to it. In the left side you would get an option of Meta Business Suite. You can simply click on it. Else the third method is you can simply click on your profile page on your page name, and here we are into the profile page of our Facebook page. In the left side you will get an option of Meta Business Suite. You can simply click on it and you can visit the Meta Business Suite platform of Facebook. So if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.